5 secret anime drawing tips you wish you know earlier. You have been drawing anime characters for months, but sometimes it feels alright. So I am here to make you perfect this video. I am giving 5 secret anime tips and tricks that took me years to learn. But in this video, you are getting this in only just 5 to 6 minutes. Number 1. Try to focus on gesture, not detailing, because most of the time beginners straightly dive into the face or hair, but pros, they nail the body flow first. Practice gesture daily, 30 to 40 minutes. It can level up your poses instantly. Tip number 2. Master the head ratio. The anime characters are not weird. Use the 6 to 8 head ratio to adjust the clear age and vibe of the character. 5 heads for kids, 6 to 7 heads for teenagers, and 8 heads to adult. Tip number 3. Line confidence. Stop sketching like you're afraid of. Use bold line, confident line. Use your whole arm, not the wrist. Confident bold lines, even with mistakes, look 10x better than the fizzy hesitation. Tip number 4. Simple shading for depth. Shading does not have to be look hard. It should be two-tone, like one is depth and one is shadow. Place shadow under the chin, neck, and hair overlap, as like this one. Tip number 5. Study your favorite anime character. Become a fan with a sketchbook. Draw your favorite anime character. Study eyes, hair, shape, clothing, etc. Copy and break down everything, because it's not cheating. This is how a great artist learn and develop their own style. Now here is the bonus tip, and maybe the most important tip for all. Don't stop just because it doesn't look good today. I know it's frustrating when your art doesn't match to the picture, but listen, you won't notice the improvement day to day. But draw this for 7 days and look back to your previous drawings. I hope you will definitely get the answer. If this helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more content like this.